Greetings! The MG brand has been making a name for itself in recent years, particularly in the SUV segment, and the MG HS is one of the strongest representatives of this rise. So, what does the new MG HS offer? Does this vehicle go beyond being just an affordable SUV and offer a glimpse into the premium segment with its equipment, comfort, and design? Let's take a look together. Let's start with the design. The MG HS has gained sharper, more aggressive lines. The front grille reflects MG's new design language, and when combined with the LED headlights, a remarkably modern look emerges. The chrome accents and sporty bumper design, particularly at the front, give the car a prestigious and dynamic character. At the rear, the wide shoulder lines and LED taillights complete the SUV's powerful stance. In short, in terms of exterior appearance, the MG HS is no longer just an affordable option. It's a truly stylish SUV. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a high-class atmosphere. A large digital instrument panel, a large touchscreen in the center console, and the use of high-quality materials are striking. With leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and soft-touch plastics, the interior quality is well above its segment. The ergonomics, particularly in the driver's seat, ensure comfort even on long journeys. When we look at the MG HS's engine options, we see that it generally comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine. This engine produces approximately 160 horsepower and 250 newton-meters of torques. Combined with a DCT dual-clutch transmission, this engine delivers satisfying performance both in the city and on long drives. Acceleration is smooth, gear changes are smooth, and the overall driving character is quite refined. Furthermore, a hybrid version offers an environmentally friendly alternative. In terms of driving characteristics, the MG HS is truly astonishingly successful. Its insulation levels are high, the suspension absorbs road irregularities well, and the overall driving feel is reassuring. Its steering response and braking performance in particular are easily comparable to many rivals in its segment. What about the technological features? This is where the MG HS shines. The 2025 model comes with a wide range of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, a 360-degree camera, an automatic parking system, collision warning, and a blind spot warning system, all offered as standard or optional. There's also a wealth of comfort features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, a wireless charging station, and a panoramic glass roof. The MG HS also boasts a wealth of safety features. The vehicle features systems like multiple airbags, an electronic stability control system, hill start assist, and automatic emergency braking. While the updated 2025 rating from organizations like Euro NCAP hasn't yet been released, the results of previous models are quite positive. Finally, from a price-performance perspective, the MG HS truly stands out with its equipment, quality, and comfort offerings. Offering similar and sometimes even more features at a more affordable price than European brands makes the MG HS a preferred choice. In short, the MG HS is no longer just an affordable Chinese SUV. It's a model that's truly stepped up in terms of design, technology, and driving experience. If you're considering a new generation SUV, I highly recommend checking out the MG HS. This vehicle may exceed your expectations. If you have any comments about the MG HS, don't forget to leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about new videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.